drums? Are those drums?
Those are drums.
Are those drums?
Oh, God, I miss this. Man, what a beautiful day. You know, here it is September, and yeah, weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's finally starting to cool down a little bit, and we're up in the Scranton area. This is not too far from where Jay lives, and this is actually his little get-together that he's having up here at Aylesworth Park, and we got a bunch of people coming, and we're having a little cookout. We're going to be grilling out here in a little bit, and just enjoying the scenery here, the good weather, and good company. And after the last few weeks I've had, I could definitely use it. I think it's going, Nick.
Come on. Should be able to weld.
Yeah.
Some black support.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dan's bringing utensils, so I mean, well, forks and spoons.
Yeah.
Dan's coming too. Yeah.
Yep.
Altoona Dan.
Altoona Dan.
All the way from Altoona.
Yeah. That's one thing I forgot about this camera, Nick, is how quick the batteries drain. I gotta get more for it.
This looks different though.
That's the same, yeah, ZV-1.
I'm looking at like intensely. It just looks newer.
Well, it is pretty brand new, yeah. I just got it about a week ago.
All the lemonade.
Old Cracker and his wife are coming. Who else? Jake and Becky. In the woods.
Where's the original? And that one's in what town?
All the stats from the original one.
Okay.
We got RJ, Laura, Matt and Jess are here, Nick and Nikki, Chris and his wife, Dan came all the way out from Altoona.
Altoona Dan.
And guy putting this on is Mr. J over there. So we all just got done eating a little bit ago. I was manning the grill and had some burgers and hot dogs, and Nikki brought some mac and cheese. Jess brought some stuff, and Dan, everyone just kind of chipped in. But we're getting ready to go on a little hike here. We're gonna go around the lake here at Aylesworth Park. But I want to show you around. I got a little sports field in front of me. There's a playground here. Kind of a little hidden gem that Jay and RJ had found not too long ago. I think it was earlier this year, but great little park. So up in the woods here, they have a couple of really shaded or wooded areas. Where we're at right here, we got 3 picnic tables, and there's some grills. There's a couple more all along here, and then all throughout the park. And then over here we have a really nice playground. Really nice for the kids there. There's more parking back there, and a whole sports field here with some soccer nets. And then down below us is a real pretty lake, and there is a earthen dam, which I'll be flying the drone over. Like I said, perfect day. I think the max temperature is gonna be like maybe 80 degrees, if that. All right, now we are getting ready to do our hike. We finished up with lunch not a little while ago. Jake and Becky just got here not too long ago. We were flying the drones and riding Jay's scooter, and I absolutely love it. It's going to be my next purchase. I had a ball on it, and yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun with the all the rail trails down in my neck of the woods, so I'm going to save up for one of those. Stream close up!
And RJ.
Autofocus engaged.
Actually, it couldn't track you. All the girls are going to the beach. Oh, Jess is coming. Oh, okay. I didn't see.
I'm the only girl. I want to go for a hike, yeah. I'll be back.
Save some beach for me.
No, I'm a guy at heart.
Non-hikers.
I'm a tomboy.
You can tell who the adventurer is.
Find anything good?
Bottle caps, pull tab.
Oh, he's big.
What is that?
Toad,
Froggy?
toad, frog, whatever.
Swamp thing.
Yeah.
A chupacabra.
I was talking to the team about the treatment system for the S9 drainage. Oh yeah. It says it's upstream. 2,700 feet, it says.
Swampy mud for my home this is. I brought my camera just in case there's a swamp to fall into.
Proceed as normal.
Like I said, it's been a while since I've been out in the woods with everyone like this. So forgive me, I am a little rusty on this.
Almost lost it. There's 4K slow motion.
That felt good. Well, surprisingly, my feet didn't get wet for that. I don't think these aren't waterproof, but I think I didn't get deep enough crossing the stream there, so I lucked out. But I got to change of clothes, or socks and underwear and all that in there. It's nice to get out and hike and take advantage of the beautiful weather today. And it's great to see everybody.
Jesus!
Oh my, what was that?
That was a snake.
I'm glad you were closer than I was.
What kind?
It was big.
It's somewhere over here. It stopped.
It stopped right around here.
That was a big son of a gun. Let's poke it with a stick.
I'm getting out of here.
There's all the girls. Right across. Zoom in on them. Hey, you guys! There's the dam right there. We're going to be crossing the top of that.
You guys go wherever you want. That's the funnel system down there where the water's going into. You can actually see it.
So all in all, where we parked across the way there and just around to here, I would say maybe took at most 20 minutes. Really didn't take that long at all. We got these water level markers here.
Discharges on the other side. There's a culvert through the highway.
And we are at the top of this dam here. As you can see, it's not holding back a whole heck of a lot of water, but big enough for 2 cars to fit up here. They do have it gated off, right off the highway. It's weird, when you come up here, you have to go across the highway, get off the exit, come around, and come underneath to get to this park, but really pretty view. Well guys, forgive me for being a little rusty and doing this whole vlog thing. It's been a while since I've been out with all the guys like this and you know, holding the camera in front of my face. When I was in New York, I didn't vlog at all. I didn't really do any exploring, or I didn't film it, I should say, and just pretty much flew the drone, but getting back into it. Feels good. I know I did that video right before I left for New York, talking about things I was going through and whatnot, but so far so good. I've been clean for going on almost 2 months now, so like I said, it feels pretty damn good, and it's always good to see everybody and hang out with our whole crew here that we've gotten to know over the last few years. But that being said, guys, I think I'm going to be heading home as soon as I get back to the car. So big thanks to Jay and everyone that came out today for this little get-together. It was a lot of fun, gorgeous day, and hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. So we'll see you soon.